Hello guys, in this video we'll be looking into the unit Build an App Home Lighting Page. Let's look into our hands-on challenge. So here in this challenge we'll be creating a lighting app using standard components. So let's quickly dive into our Trailhead playground and jump into our setup window. Let's search for App Builder and find Lightning App Builder. Let's create a new app where the type is App Page, the first one. Let's copy paste our label My Data and click on Next. The template we are going with is one region. And done. Here's our standard app page. Let's add recent items component to this. Let's drag and drop. To add some objects to the recent items, we can go to Objects and select. Let's add account, followed by contact and lead. Let's remove the API. Right, that's perfect. And let's activate our new app page. Here we'll be activating for all the users. And let's jump into the mobile navigation. As for the final step, let's add app to page. It's not necessary to drag it, but anyways. So we have completed our challenge. So let's see if we have done everything right over here. That's perfect. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.